Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Uphold's anything to anything trading feature. Let's get straight into it. So the first step, of course, is to log into your Uphold account. You can do that on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you want to click on the trade or exchange tab. Next, you want to click on the anything to anything or direct trading button. Next, you want to select the asset that you want to trade, and that can include cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. You could also have precious metals, so that's gold or silver. You could also have fiat currencies, that could be US dollars, euros, or whatever. You could also have other assets, including commodities, indices, and whatnot. And the next step is to set up the amount of the asset that you want to trade. And once you're done with that, just review the trade details, including the assets, amounts, and exchange rate and all that, and confirm that the information is accurate to finalize all that. And once that's done, just execute the trade by clicking the trade button, and that's gonna help you to set it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Uphold anything to anything trading feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.